in this series of videos, we're going to make this image here or something close to it. I do it a little bit different every time I do this. But this is what you could call space art. If you type space art in Google, you'll get a bunch of hits. Photoshopped imagery with a space or science fiction theme. This is a piece of space art I made a while back based on a tutorial on the internet. This is another one, and all the images I'm showing you take different photographic images and heavily modify them and put them together in interesting ways. For example, this is a picture of a G.I. Joe character, this little figure here. This one came out cool. This again was based on a tutorial on the internet, and I made this a while back. And some of the pieces and parts within this image we're going to be actually using to create this. So we're going to create something similar to this. And the first thing, let me go here. So I would call this a beginner to intermediate project. I assume that you know the basics of Photoshop, like how to use the selection tools and so on. However, I will talk you through every step of the way when we do this. And the purpose of this as a teaching tool, I made this to introduce you to some of the more advanced techniques in Photoshop, to show you what Photoshop is capable of. And it's an introduction to Photoshop as an illustration tool as well. And hopefully it's a chance that something that you'll find interesting, to make something that you think looks cool and is fun to do. So anyway, so we'll be making this. The first thing I want you to do is set up your folder and file structure. So make a folder called Space Art and have a resources folder, have all the images you'll be using. Now if you're in my class, I will provide you with these images. If you're just visiting my YouTube channel, you can find similar images on the web pretty easily. All of these, with few exceptions, most of these images are from nasa.gov. So all of these images that I'm going through right now are from nasa.gov. This is an aerial view of Rio de Janeiro, I believe it is. This is a weather map. This image that I called Moon Texture is the picture I took. I think it was a bulldozer blade. I can't remember what the heck that was, but that's a picture I took. This is a picture of a marble surface. And so anyway, so these images, we're going to heavily modify them and stick them together and make this image. So get a Space Art folder going, get your resources folder within Space Art, put all the images I provide for you in there, and your Photoshop file will reside in here. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.